The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi dear children, welcome to our Maths class. ചിരിക്കാൻ അറിയാത്ത മുഖങ്ങൾ വിടരാത്ത പൂമൊട്ടിന് സമമാണത്രേ. വിടർന്നു നിൽക്കുന്ന പൂക്കൾ കാണുവാൻ എന്തൊരു ഭംഗിയാണ് അല്ലേ? അത് കാണുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിനുണ്ടാവുന്നൊരു സുഖം പറഞ്ഞറിയിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് പുഞ്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു മുഖം കാണുമ്പോൾ നമ്മളുടെ മനസ്സിലും ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് ആ സന്തോഷം. പുഞ്ചിരിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ശക്തിയുണ്ട്. മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് കോൺഫിഡൻസ് കൊടുക്കുവാൻ നമ്മളുടെ മുഖത്തെ പുഞ്ചിരിക്ക് പറ്റും. ചിരിക്കുന്ന മുഖത്തോടെ ഉള്ള ഒരു ആളെ കാണാനാണ് നമ്മൾക്ക് ഏവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടം അല്ലെ? മുഖത്ത് ഗൗരവഭാവം നിറച്ച് നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരാളെ കാണാൻ നമ്മൾക്ക് അത്ര വലിയ താല്പര്യം കാണില്ല, പേടിയാണ്. അവരോട് ഇടപഴകാനും നമ്മൾ മടി കാണിക്കും. കൊച്ചു കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളുടെ മുഖത്ത് കാണുന്ന ആ പുഞ്ചിരി വളരെ നിഷ്കളങ്കതയുള്ളതാണ് അല്ലെ? അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് ഏറെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരായി മാറുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ ഒരാളോട് ഇടപഴകുമ്പോൾ, സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ പുഞ്ചിരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ അയാൾക്ക് നമ്മളോടുള്ള വിശ്വാസവും ആദരവും വർദ്ധിക്കും. ഉള്ളിൽ വിദ്വേഷവും വെറുപ്പും വെച്ച് പുലർത്തുന്ന ഒരാൾക്ക് മുഖത്ത് പുഞ്ചിരി വരുത്തുവാൻ വളരെ പ്രയാസമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിൽ നന്മ നിറച്ച് മുഖത്ത് പുഞ്ചിരിയോടുകൂടി എല്ലാവരോടും ഇടപഴകാൻ ശ്രമിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ? In last class, we studied about fractions and discussed what is a fraction. We can continue the same chapter. Your father has bought one cake and he divided the cake into 3 equal pieces. You, your father and mother shared the 3 pieces. Like this. Here the question is, what part of the cake you got? Yes, it is 1/3, isn't it? So each one got 1/3 part of that cake. If your father gave his share to you, how we can say about the fraction, or how we can say the part you got? Yes, you got 2 pieces out of the 3 equal pieces. That means the part you got is 2/3 part of the cake. Understood? Here on a string 1 meter long, 3 equal parts are marked and 1 piece is cut off. Can you say what is the part of the smaller piece here? Yes. Out of 3 equal pieces, 1 part is taken. That means it is 1/3 part of that 1 meter long string, isn't it? So we can say it is 1/3 meter. What about the longer piece? It has 2 parts. So out of the 3 equal parts, 2 parts are taken. That means it is 2/3 meter. Or it is 2/3 part of 1 meter. Okay, so the longer piece is 2/3 meter long and the shorter one is 1/3 meter long. Is it clear? Here is a square with its side 3 centimeter long. You can see points marked on the top and bottom of the square 1 centimeter from the left side, isn't it? Here we got 2 rectangles, and how can we say the part of this two rectangles connected with the big square? Yes. The smaller rectangle is 1/3 part of the large square. What about the larger rectangle? If we took 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter is left. That means 2 parts are left. So we can say out of the 3 equal parts, 2 parts taken for the larger rectangle. So it is 2/3 part of the large square. Understood? So the smaller rectangle is 1/3 part of the square and the larger rectangle is 2/3 part of the square. Now you can write this problem in your notebook. In the line below, equally spaced dots are marked. The first question is, what part of the whole line is the length AD? The second one, what about the length AC? And the third one, and AE. That means we have to find out length of AE. Here, the line is equally divided into 6 parts. So, AD means we have to take 3 parts together. That is AB, BC and CD. So, if we connect AD with the longest line, the full line, we can say out of the 6 parts, 3 parts are taken. So that AD is 3/6 parts of the whole line. Okay. Now the second question. Here AC. AC means we have to take 2 parts. So out of the 6 equal parts, we want to take 2 parts to get the line AC. That means AC is 2/6 parts of the given line. Okay. The third question is AE. AE means here we want to take 4 parts. 4 parts together. So the relation of AE with the given line is 4/6. That means AE is 4/6 parts of the given line. Understood? Now write another problem. The question is, in 20 minutes the minute hand of a clock turns through how much of a circle? In 4 hours, how much of a circle does the hour hand turn? When the minute hand moves from 12 to 9, how much of a circle does it turn? Children, in a clock you can see the numbers from 1 to 12, isn't it? That means the clock is divided into 12 equal parts. In this clock, the time is 2 o'clock. So, after 20 minutes, the minute hand reaches at 4, isn't it? So, from 12 to 4 means how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. So, out of the 12 equal parts, 4 parts are taken. That means, after 20 minutes, the part of the hand will be 4/12 part of the whole circle. Now the second one, in 4 hours, the hour hand will reach at 6, isn't it? Now it is at 2. So after 4 hours means 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it will cover 4 parts. So we can say after 4 hours, the part of the hour hand will be 4/12 of the whole circle. Next is the minute hand moves 9/12 part of the whole circle. Okay, understood? Here you can see a circle is divided into 4 equal parts. If we take 1 part means it is 1/4 part of the circle. Then what remains? Yes, 3/4 part of the circle is remaining, isn't it? Usually we use quarters for 1/4, 3/4 for 3/4. Now you can see one more picture. In that picture, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 parts are taken. That means out of the 4 equal parts, 2 parts are taken. So it is 2 by 4 of the whole circle. In another way, we can say this as half of the circle. That means this 2 by 4 is same as 1 by 2 parts. Okay. So 1 by 2 means it is half. So 1 by 4 means it is quarter, 3 by 4 means it is 3/4 and 1 by 2 means it is half. So dear children, this is for today. We can wind up today's session. Okay. Here are some problems for homework. So you have to do this properly. Okay. Take care. Bye.